language speaking. Okay, do you understood?
Opo.
And I want to told you that I am a very kind person, a very kind teacher. Just please be kind to me, right? Because if you're kind to me, I'm kind to you. Do you understood?
Opo.
Okay. Before we start, I want to introduce myself very clear. Okay? So that's my name. My name is Bintana. You can call me Sir Bintana. And I am born at a very young age. And I am housed in Batangas City. And it's because this is the first day of our school. I will not teach you